Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a quick and important show for you. It's on this little tiny RETEKESS PR15 radio. And what's unique about this radio is it has the weather band, which makes it an emergency radio. And it's tiny. Look how small it is. You can put this in your shirt pocket. It uses 2 AAA batteries, so no built-in battery. It's got a short 8-inch telescopic antenna, nice cloth carrying strap, so you can keep it with you all the time when things are not doing too good outside. Let me just turn it on here for a second. Here's the on-off volume. Band select, AM, FM, weather band. Up here, we have the tuning, earphone jack. That's about it. It's $18 on Amazon. And very small, but powerful. Let me turn it on here. Oops, I got it backwards. Oh boy, I'm getting old. This is on-off volume. There we go. Power on. Volume up. Let's see what band we're on. We're on weather band, I think. Yes, we're on weather band. So we'll tune here. There it is. Turn it up.
The tropical weather outlook issued by the National Hurricane Center in Miami. Issued at 1:08 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For the North Atlantic,
Tune it a little better.
Sea and the Gulf of America, Tropical Atlantic at 91, shower
There you
and
go.
thunderstorm activity remains limited in association with a tropical wave over the central tropical Atlantic. A drier air mass is limiting the potential for development over the next couple of days, and environmental conditions will remain only marginally
I think
favorable
you got
a tropical depression
that
could form during the early
channel
part of next week as the
strong.
system
I think I got one other weak one. There gets the interference. Yeah.
The wind was very
Oh, it's strong too.
miles an hour. The pressure was 29.97 inches and steady. At St.
So
Pete
it got
Clearwater Airport, it was clear.
2 out of the 7 weather bands or channels. Yeah. Normally in my area, even with an outside antenna, I can only get 2 in 1 week. So this is getting the 2 strong. And look how small it is. Did I tell you how small it was? And we can just quickly go to AM. Don't have my glasses on. And we'll tune to the bottom of the band with the tuning knob instead of the volume knob. There we go. Tune kind of slow.
5615. That's 800-814-5615.
So AM working fine.
2939 from the Fox Sports Studios in Los Angeles.
Nice and clear. Yeah, picks up a lot of stations on AM. We'll go to FM. And we'll tune real quickly. Then we go way down here. I think there's talk radio down here. Yeah, I can't find it. My fingers are too stiff this morning. I was trying to get away from music. Nah, pretty impossible. Okay. It does receive FM fine. Turn the volume. There we go. I like the size. So convenient. This was sent to me by RETEKESS. They've sent me a lot of radios to review. I like all their radios. I bought several radios from them. Thanks for watching. And have a great day. Bye-bye.